So I got a little story I want to share with you, and I don't know, give me just a second. So as a kid growing up here in the Bible Belt, after we got out of church, we'd run down to Western Sizzling, get our buffet on, and then we would have a little bit of spare time in between our next church service. Sometimes, if we were lucky, we'd get to go to a manufactured home lot, I guess is probably the best way of saying that, and get to preview the homes. And it was so exciting. I remember this as a kid. It was just so cool being able to run inside these homes, look for what my bedroom would be. My sister would split to the other direction. My mom would go in another direction. She would find her soaking tub. Would be Hollywood style, something like that. And then Dad's just over in the corner and be like, yep, just whatever, yep. But those were some cool times. Like I had fun. I don't know, maybe nobody else had fun, but just previewing these homes as a kid. And you might be asking, like, okay, so why are you even talking about this? All right, well, here we go. This coming Saturday, I'll be hosting an open house here in Davidson for a house built by Peerless Homes. Let me tell you something. The amenities on this house are absolutely out of control. Guys, if you're like me, you love technology, wait till you see the living room in this house and in the kitchen. Oh, have you ever seen leathered quartz countertops? I don't know if you say it's a perfect home, but to me, it is an absolutely perfect home. I'm not going to go into all the features because I want you to come, obviously. So would you do yourself a favor? Bring your family. See, here we come back to it. Bring the kiddos. Let's see if they want to run into a different direction, find their own room. And hey, guys, go find your own man cave, whatever it takes. But you don't want to miss this house. It's awesome. Trust me. I hope to see you there this coming Saturday, 11 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Peace.